This is a Form I-90, an application to renew your green card. We are going to go over the application, but before we continue, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Latest version 2022. The Form I-90, Renewal of Permanent Residence Card, is also used for many other purposes. Note that in case you are removing your conditional residence, you should use the Form I-751, not I-90. This form can be filed online. However, as lawyers we are using the PDF version. As such, our guide is in this format. Just watch how we file the PDF form and you should be able to proceed. Watch the entire video. This form is also used in case of physical loss of card, mutilation, or if the card was stolen. However, in such cases, talk to a lawyer before proceeding. Call 5.1.0.7.4.2.5.8.8.7. This form is not hard to fill. Should you have any questions or want us to represent you, call the Shah Peerally Law Group PC at 5107-5887. The form essentially starts by you filling your biographic information. Answer all the questions truthfully and correctly to the best of your abilities. If you are not able to properly fill the form, reach out to us and we shall be glad to represent you. Make sure you give the right contact information and address. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment. This was brought to you by the Shah Peerally Law Group, PC.